Let's take a look at some searching quick tips. Right-click on Accounts, and let's look up an account. Your default will be set to Contains. So let's start by looking up account that contains test. This is for when maybe you're unsure of what you named an account. Now you can see that test is in the beginning, middle, and at the end when you use the contains function. Now let's go a little deeper in this search by using another layer. So let's go account contains test. Let's use the plus sign to add another condition. I want to see ones that contain test in the state of Ohio. Let's use starting with and just put OH in case somebody typed out the word Ohio. And hit search. Now you'll see it filtered your results to just Ohio and contains test. Now let's say you want to check that your data has been kept clean for that state field. You have lots of options to look up by within the account table, as you can see here. So let's click on state and let's change this to starting with, and we'll just type in the OH again to make sure that no one has typed out the word Ohio. So we will hit search and all accounts that have the state of Ohio will appear. Now an easy way to double check that no one's typed out the word Ohio or any other version is to go over here to your filters. As you can see, all 68 are under as OH. So now you know that your data is clean. These are just some quick searching tips.